Today we're back up in the sage and we're going to be looking for some coyotes. I've got Karma and brought the dogs. That didn't take long. I just spotted a big old coyote headed down this hill, but right now I'm on private. I need to get over to public real quick, get set up. It's a ways off, but it looks like a good one. I don't want to call him anymore because I'm still out here on private. No one's around here, but still, I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna just close the distance. If he takes off, I can probably get him to stop. I'll just swing off and take a shot. I got about, well, I'm gonna get to him before I get to the actual public land, so probably just chase him down a little bit, let him go over the next hill, and then I'll be free to take the shot. One thing about, I don't think I've seen anybody that goes out and hunts coyotes on horseback. But if you're like me and you can't see nothing in this sagebrush, they'll give you a really good indicator where they're at. I see them long before I do. And hate to say it, but dogs do make pretty good bait. If I'm in some thick brush and they're out ahead, coyotes seem to like to go after them. Earlier this year, I was out shed hunting and came down into this watering hole and ended up having, I was probably about 100 yards or so across from this other ridge, and this big old coyote was coming down. She didn't care about me at all. She was going straight for the dogs. All I had was my pistol, which is a shield, and I knew I wasn't going to hit anything with that, but I just swung off and took a shot at it just to spook it away, and then go around the next little bend and come to find out why she was so aggravated. Had a fresh den. She probably had some pups in there with it being spring and all. Alright, we are on public. Game on. Hobbled. She can sit here and eat. And I'm gonna go to the next little berm. Head over to this spot right here. Just tuck up next to the brush. Alright, it's been about 20 minutes sitting and not seeing anything, so I'm gonna get back on and head up this ridge line a little bit. There's another draw on the other side. I've had good luck before seeing coyotes just riding, so kind of how it goes. When you're looking for them, they're nowhere to be found. Then when you're not looking for them, there they are. So got a different spot. I'll hang out here for a little bit. I'm not gonna go take a look at the coyote. Trying to go up it is just, it's still, well, it's in the shade, so it still has the snow, and then the ground is just solid, so it's just a slick mess. I'm not even gonna mess with it. Not, man, I tell you what, everything is just rock out here. Zero trails. You can ride the roads, but they're just beyond muddy and snowy right now. Just packed with ice from side-by-sides that have been out this way. Just cut back across. Well, that about sums it up for today. Got a coyote. Head back to the truck. So, thanks for watching.